Imagine this. A hacker tries to break into your network, but before they even get close, an invisible security guard stops them dead in their tracks. No alerts to respond to, no emergency meetings, the threat is just gone. That's Cato's Intrusion Prevention System, and it's changing how businesses protect themselves online. So what exactly is an intrusion prevention system? Think of it as a security checkpoint that sits directly in your network traffic flow. Every single piece of data trying to enter or leave your network has to pass through it first. Here's the key difference. Old school solutions called IDS would only detect threats and send you an alert. You'd have to scramble to respond. But IPS doesn't just detect, it prevents. It automatically blocks malicious traffic before it can cause any damage. It's like having a bouncer at the door who doesn't just spot troublemakers, but actually stops them from getting in. Now, traditional IPS systems have some serious problems. First, they're stuck in one place. If you have 10 offices across the country, you need 10 separate IPS boxes. That's expensive and a nightmare to manage. Second, they struggle with encrypted traffic. And guess what? Most internet traffic today is encrypted. So these old systems are like security guards who can't see through tinted windows. Third, they have limited computing power. It's like asking a calculator to run a video game. When traffic spikes, they either slow everything down or stop checking traffic thoroughly. Either way, you lose. And finally, keeping them updated is a full-time job. New threats emerge daily, and somebody has to manually push updates to every single device. Miss one? That's your weak point. This is where Cato completely flips the script. Cato IPS is cloud native, which means 3 game-changing things. First, it's everywhere. Your employees in New York, London, and Tokyo all get the same protection instantly. No hardware to ship, no appliances to install, just consistent security for everyone, everywhere. Second, Cato uses AI and machine learning in real time. Remember those phishing scams with fake domains that look almost legit? Cato's AI spots them instantly by analyzing patterns, domain age, and even web page components. It's like having a detective who never sleeps and learns from every attack they see. Third, and this is huge, Cato has unlimited computing power. It inspects all your traffic, including encrypted traffic, without slowing anything down. No compromises, no blind spots. And here's the best part. Updates happen automatically across the entire global network. When a new ransomware variant appears, Cato's security team builds protection and deploys it to every customer simultaneously. You don't lift a finger. So what does Cato IPS actually protect you from? Pretty much everything. Ransomware trying to sneak in? Blocked. Hackers attempting to exploit vulnerabilities? Stopped. Malware downloads? Prevented. Someone trying to move laterally through your network after getting in? Shut down immediately. Cato even offers geofencing. If your business has no reason to interact with certain countries, you can block all traffic from there with one click. Instant attack surface reduction. The system aggregates threat intelligence from over 250 sources, using AI to eliminate overlaps and false positives. So you're protected against the latest threats without drowning in meaningless alerts. Here's what this means in practice. Companies using Cato IPS report massive reductions in security incidents. Their IT teams spend less time firefighting and more time on actual innovation. They can scale globally without worrying about security gaps in new locations. One customer said it perfectly. With Cato, infection rates dropped and detection rates soared. These were key factors in trusting Cato security. Look, cybersecurity shouldn't be complicated. Your job isn't to become a security expert, it's to run your business. Cato IPS handles the security so you don't have to think about it. If you want to learn more about how Cato can protect your business, check out the links in the description. Stay safe out there.